Today, we made our way back to North Myrtle Beach to check out the Cherry Grove Fishing Pier. Stay tuned.
Well, looky here. I've always complained about parking in North Myrtle Beach. This is a parking garage in pay to park March the 1st through October the 31st, and it's $3 an hour. So there you go. That's pretty good, and it's a nice size parking garage. And it says the first and second floor are public parking. Something to know. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Cherry Grove, North Myrtle Beach, and we're here at the Fishing Pier. Let's go check it out. They've been working on the fishing pier for quite a time now. What is it? I can't even talk. For some time now.
This little thing's open with cocktails, look.
Oh yeah.
But the sidebar is closed. And right here, they got some of these pillars.
Oh, the restaurant is open.
All right. Huh.
Ooh, yeah, I want to eat here, babe.
That sounds like a winner.
So they sat us out right here on this beautiful outdoor dining area, right up underneath a shaded area with a very beautiful view, isn't it, Beatbox?
It's very beautiful of the pier.
I'm getting some mozzarella sticks. They have gator bites too. Chili cheese fries, fish bites, and hummus dip. Hey, how are you? So I decided to go with a lemon drop strawberry daiquiri. This thing is awesome. Very good. Cheers. Hey, too bad our daughter's not here with us because she'd love to parasail. And look at that beach, crowded. Just like you like it. We decided to go with an appetizer, the mozzarella cheese sticks, after a long night of singing karaoke, which they also have live entertainment. And we're here at Driftwoods right here on the Cherry Grove Pier. Look at those delicious mozzarella cheese sticks. That's something to melt in your mouth. And so here it is, all put together with the chili, the slaw, the cheeseburger, the onion, the tomato. Oh my goodness.
And that's called what?
This is called the Carolina burger.
Oh,
delicious.
I might get that next time.
Heck yeah. And he's still working on building his. And he got the smash burger.
So if you come into the pier, what do you see?
So if you're also out there on the hot beach, they also have Scoops Ice Cream Bar. So you can get you some ice cream, cups, $4.75. Regular cone is $5. And they also have smoothies, yum, to beat the heat. They even have cotton candy ice cream. But right now, I am so full. And I know a lot of you were asking, the cafe is doing breakfast in the mornings too. So they are serving breakfast, so you can come and check them out for breakfast as well.
And that's Driftwoods Bar and Grill, right?
That's it. The service here was great, and the atmosphere was out of this world.
All right, where are we going, to the gift shop?
We're gonna go check out their gift shop. Let's go take a look. Y'all wanna come on in? It's nice and cool in here too.
Look at big old
shark. Here we go. She said they got all kind of cool souvenirs. Can't even talk today.
Look at the shirts. Edgar is in charge of all of
hello.
How are you doing, sir?
How are you? Thank you. Oh, look, they have your beach jewelry.
These are the great fishing gear for all the
Oh, look at the bracelets. Look, I know I saw on Facebook where someone was looking for kitty toys, and here's some right here.
So here's the other side of the pier.
Alrighty, well, she was saying that they're hoping to have it ready by the end of the fall, that it's very hard to repair piers. People don't realize how hard it is to repair a pier after these dangerous storms that we have. And
She said for each pillar that goes down into the water, it takes 7 days
wow,
just to get it in and secure.
and that's with good weather.
And that's with good weather.
But we just want to let you know that the cafe is open. It's Driftwoods. You said Driftwood Pier
It's
Cafe.
Driftwoods Bar and Grill.
Oh, Driftwoods Bar and Grill. Driftwoods Bar and Grill.
Driftwoods
look.
Beer Bar and Grill.
And there's people using that free sunshade, like always, right beneath the cool pier.
What? Come here. Can't hear you.
I said they're also using that nice shade right here underneath the pier. Look at that. Pretty. Ooh, there's a nice cool breeze under here.
See them parasailing out there?
I do. Wow, it's just really busy right here, isn't it?
It's packed.
Yes.
That's why they love it here. So here's a portion of the pier. It's got to go. They got to finish. But like Bunny B said, hopefully it'll be completed sometime near the end of fall. And if you're looking for shade, I found a lot of it right up under here.
Ooh, the sand's hot. This sand is very hot. Don't forget what we showed you about turning your shoes over or either sliding them up underneath your chair. I know yesterday on the beach I had to slide mine underneath the chair just to put them in a shade. So,
There's another section halfway down that needs to be completed.
I know folks up here in Cherry Grove can't wait to get that pier back open. A lot of fishermen are probably missing it.
That's right.
Yikes! It's hard to walk in real shoes and on the sand. All right.
All right. So let me show. And look how busy it is in Cherry Grove, North Myrtle Beach. That's a status. Look at the pier.
Well, there you have it. That was a look at the Cherry Grove Fishing Pier. And boy, am I stuck. Absolutely a great atmosphere with delicious food. The service was great. And I can't wait to come back for try the breakfast.
And maybe we can do that at the end of fall when the pier is complete, right?
Absolutely.
Well, all right, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach.
And as always, keep beaching.